Greetings! I'm Gary from Cloud NC, and I'm going to show you why it's an exciting time to be alive in the estimation realm, and it's all thanks to Cam Assist. So once you've brought your model in and you've put any fixture in around it, first thing you're going to want to do is obviously model your stock, which represents the block that you plan on making this part out of. Now this I plan on putting on the HASS that we have here at the factory. So using the HASS standard tool library, which we have already built here and has proven speeds and feeds data for all of the tooling inside of it. This is important in order to get an accurate estimate or cycle time out of this that represents what you do actually cut parts at. So can't express enough how important the tool library is inside of Cam Assist. So we've selected our tool library, the material is aluminium. We're going to do this on a 3-axis machine. So from here, just hit run. And look at that, in less than 5 minutes, we have a cycle time of 35 minutes. This is an epic estimation tool because one of the things that have been missing, and in most estimation departments, they don't always have qualified programmers. So this is doing a big bulk of the work in giving you the cycle time that it takes to remove the metal on that part.